Hello guys, I have received this MacBook A1990 which customer mention is water damage. They try to clean it and but still not working, so they remove the board and first thing we will be doing is to examine the board under microscope so that we can find out if there is any physical damage we can see, and let's start. And the customer did mention they also try to clean the board. And this is the bottom side. I think that looks okay to me. And yeah, there is one damage here. Do you see? This is burnt. Okay, let's move on. No, that looks okay. So the only thing I see is this thing here. What is it? Okay, let's go closer. That is pretty bad burned. Yeah. Okay, let me check. Okay, so to me this looks ground, but this doesn't look ground, isn't it? Now let's find what the board number is. This is 8200136, and till to date, which is 26th of September 2022, the board view is not out yet, neither the schematic diagram for this board. But what we can do, the board number 8201814 or board number 820-01041, we can use that board view and the schematic diagram. There is a little bit different in where the CPU is, otherwise they are pretty similar. So we will only concentrate on where we find out the damage. So this was the capacitor which was badly burnt, and I was right, this is the ground part and this is where the line, and all these caps on the pin number 1, 5, 9, 13, 17 and 21, they are connected here, and this in reverse is going somewhere here. So we know that line is shorted, and that line is reads as PP bus G3H. So part of G3H, and then SSDO underscore SNS. So I think that makes SNS maybe sense. Anyway, so now the next thing is, this is U9080. What U980 is? U980 is this is part of SSDO PMIC. So if this is shorted, and because this is on G3H, and from my experience, I think if we put it, it should give us a heat point. So let's put it under the next thing I will be doing is try to find out if where the heat point is. I'm gonna put it under the thermal cam now. So this is where the burnt is, which is C9080 and then U9080. So I'm gonna connect it with DC. Gonna give it some power. Let's see what happened. See straight away. So this area is heating up, and then it goes down. Maybe system is shutting it down automatically so that it can prevent any more damage. So I'm gonna disconnect it. I would quickly like to check with the freeze spray. Okay, let's try again. Yeah. I think it looks like I have to remove U9080 and then see if the short is relieved or not. Well, okay. I would like to give it a clean while it's still hot. Oh, come on, don't break anything. Okay. Okay. This is fucking pretty bad burnt. So these three are intact in this line and these three are intact in this line, and the next thing I would like to check if we have got short. Yep, very low resistance. Okay, I was expecting this to go. This is ground. This line is short as well. So what to do next? So U9080 we have already removed. Let's check if we got any further heat. Okay, we will examine the same area now. and no heat so far, but short is still there. Okay. And let's dig a little bit further more. So we know these are shorted, still shorted even after removing U9080. And then this capacitor is not here, it's already gone. Okay. And then we have got few components here which are connected to U9080. Let's flip the board up, and I'm just checking under microscope, and I will see the condition of those two caps. They looks okay to me. And then this is connected with C9073, and then this one here R5620. Let's check R5620. R5620, where is it? This side, same side. Yep, I will show you under the microscope now. Here. So this is what we already removed, but short is still there, U9080. And this is, and then connected to this. And do you see, because they have already give it a, but do you see that there moisture, see there, and here, and I will see a little bit of damage here. So let's come back and check what these components are. So this is the one here, and this is little bit different because the board is not exactly same. So what I have to do now, with limited information available, I will remove R5620, which we can see is little bit damage, and I don't see these on this board view because it's little bit different, but I can see it's pretty burnt. I would like to remove this. Okay. I will be removing this here. To me it looks like the layer is shorted. So when you have got this sort of spark or short on the board, some of the components that are affected, they are very hard to remove. Because of the heat, their melting temperature goes up and they refuse to come out. Okay, I should have tinted it before, but anyway, I'm going to do it now. Alright, let's try again. Oh, sorry. Okay, let's check the short again. No, the short is still there. Let's check here. But there is no short here now. See? You understand what I'm saying? There is no short here now. Yeah, but is there any short here? Yep. So this is the line which is shorted from here to here, and they are all on one line. Yeah, I will inject some volt from here, from this side. Okay, let's try again. Oh no, that is just a little bit here. Let's remove that. This is the whole area which is getting heat up. Let's have a look again. So only few things I will check, otherwise I know what might be the problem, and that most probably not fixable. So heat is coming from this side. Let's check the back side of the board, because we haven't checked. So okay, do you see that little bit of, is it coming from here? Yeah, there was a, I can see that pad is gone. Let's check the board view, what we have here. But I'm not 100% sure, you know, so because the board layout is a little bit different. We do not have, but we have got this cap here, and where this is connected to U9080, yeah. That might be, fuck, the problem is, see, this is a cap here. Oh my god, look at it. Is it a cap or what is it? Okay, let's remove this. This is a plastic part that board sits there, so I will cover it, and then now I can remove it with my, okay, I will show you here. Where is it? Here, man. Do you see? Fucking yes, yes. Is this what the problem? You shit. Okay, let's remove this. Yeah. Okay. Now let's check. Here. No. Still short.
$260.
Still short. So guys, I will explain you something here. I don't think this board is fixable, at least by me. Neither I'm gonna spend any more time on it. So I will show you something here. What is most probably is happening, this is where our U9080 is, right? And this is where, do you see those small lines? They are going do you see those small lines, right? Here there was a capacitor which is C9080, and this was the line. See, it's all gone, nothing here inside. And this is the layer, see, inside. Do you see? I can go deeper and deeper. Do you see here? I can go deeper. It's all burnt, see, and then I can see the bottom layer, maybe layer 2 or layer 3, but here, do you see? I keep digging, maybe I'm 2 centimeter down, see, and then I can see another layer. And if we come back here, see, these are the lines which are going to another component, second or third layer, and you see there is another one here, and this is what the ground layer is, this one here. And there is another pad that is going down from the board. So most probably what is happened is the lines which are going, because the spark was too large, it has burnt the layer. When they are burnt, they are connected with each other, and then there's nothing we can do about it. At least I'm not gonna spend any time on it, and this board is not repairable. At least by me it's not repairable. There's nothing I can do about it now, because it's shorted inside the layers. So thank you very much for watching. See you in next video. Bye.